Hey guys, welcome back. Jacob Salinas here at salinasguitars and Bajo Sextus. Today we're working on another Bajo that was brought into us for a action adjustment, and it turned into a way bigger job than just lowering the strings on this one. Check it out. It's an old vintage Bajo. Again, like I said, it came in for just for us to do the action on it, lower the action. And before we do any action adjustments on every instrument that comes in here, of course we check to see how straight the fretboard is, how straight the frets are. And for some odd reason, this one has a huge like bump in the middle of the fretboard here. And it's crazy because I guess it has had previous work to it, but the fretboard actually it tapers. If I can get this on camera here, it tapers to almost 3/16 down here. So I don't know if the camera's catching that or not, but it's really thin down here at the body. So my guess is somebody has already worked the fretboard quite a bit, and they left a hump in the middle of it, or I'm not sure if the neck's that way, but I'll put the scales on it right now to show you that it's actually quite off. Okay, so the first way that we determine this is we usually just put a straight edge or something that's more straight. So here's a regular fret scale ruler just to show you that it has quite a bit of rock. I mean, I would say it's about a 16th. Let's see, I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's about a 16th of an inch under this fret here. And initially I thought it was maybe just a bad fret job or high frets, but I put the notched ruler on it, and it's about the same. I'm hoping the camera's picking that up so you can see it. So, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and just replace the fretboard on this one. Aside from the fretboard being, I guess, humped in the middle, the frets are actually crooked too. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up, but they're slightly slanted. So we're gonna go ahead and just replace the fretboard on this one. Just makes it easier. It makes our repair, it makes us be able to guarantee the work that we did, because with the frets being so crooked and stuff, like slanted like that, and that big hump in the middle, I don't think I could take that hump out without sacrificing more of the fretboard. And like I said, it's like about 3/16 over here on this end. So yep, that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned and we'll bring you along with us. Alright, here it is, all done. So this Bajo came in for a action adjustment, and we initially thought we were going to lower the strings here at the bridge, but when it came in we noticed that the fretboard was pretty damaged. It looked like somebody had already worked on it, or might have just gotten that way over time. There was a huge hump in the fretboard, and the fretboard was about 3/16 on this end and about maybe 3/8 on the nut part. So went ahead and took fretboard off, installed a new fretboard. We remade a nut for it, so it's got a brand new nut as well. And everything was left original on this end of it, and we just made the bridge work out so that it's super low. The action is about 2 millimeters, maybe a little less at the 12th fret here on this one, but it sounds great. Well, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.